Guys, I hope all is well. In this video, I'll be showing you how to be able to get the rust out of your refrigerator and also get your ice maker nice and clean. I'm going to be cleaning my ice maker tray. So it got a little bit of rust in it. You'll be needing some baking soda, some white distilled vinegar. Doesn't make a difference what brand, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys the rust right there, and it actually was more rustier, but I'll start cleaning it. And before I got done, I was like, you know what, let me show my viewers how to be able to get the rust off. First, I want to say clean your ice maker, because when I say this ice maker has a smell to it, you always want to clean your ice maker. So not only am I cleaning the rust off, see the rust, I'm going to be cleaning it, and I'll also be using some Dawn. You guys know I love Dawn. I put it inside of this container right here. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to do it. If you have a spray bottle, it makes it so much easier. I don't have a spray bottle. You can put the vinegar inside of the spray bottle and spray it on wherever you see the rust. Okay, what you're going to do first, though, you're going to put some baking soda down first. Go ahead and put the baking soda. I'm going to put the baking soda right up in here, and I'm going to put some vinegar in there. Then once I get done with that, I'm going to take the vinegar and I'm going to wipe all this whole thing down. Because when I say it has a funny smell to it, and if your ice is tasting funny, you may need to do that as well. I'm going to get this clean, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how it works. And I love it, love it, love it. It's a quick and easy hack. You do not have to throw away anything. Just clean, clean, clean. Okay. Just wanted to show you guys, this is where the tray was. It's the ice maker tray, and I just pull it out. It's super easy. Just pull it straight out. Okay. And make sure you have your arm up or however to make the ice not come out, because you do not want your ice to come out. So make sure you got that setting off. You will also need a sponge. I forgot to tell you that. Okay, so the vinegar, again, if you have a spray bottle, put it in a spray bottle. It makes it much easier. Since I don't have a spray bottle, we're going to make it. We're going to get a paper towel. And like I said, you put it on wherever you need to put it, okay? I'm going to put some water on the paper towel. Then I'll put the baking soda, and then I'm going to put it right on the rust. So we're just putting the baking soda on the rust. Okay. And now, guys, we are going to put the vinegar on a paper towel. And put it right on there. Awkward spot, so we'll just put a little bit of baking soda. I'm gonna use my finger. And we have some, like I said, some vinegar on it. So just let it sit. We're gonna let it sit for maybe about a good 10 minutes. If you have more rust, put it all on your rust. And again, do it the way that I told you. If you don't have a paper towel, get a spray bottle. You will actually put the baking soda on first, and then you'll spray the actual vinegar on, okay? Since it's in an odd spot, I'm just gonna put it on there. Okay. And like I said, we're gonna put some vinegar on there. You can hear it reacting. It's like, and just let it sit. And we'll come back and I'll show you how the rust is gonna be gone. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now we'll go in and just wipe it off. And like I said, if the rust is really bad, you can use a scrubby, like a sponge with the green, you know, the yellow sponge with the green scrubby thing, or you could just use a sponge, something scrapable. But see, you see that, how easy that was? No more rust. So I'm telling you guys, if you are having rust like that, do that. Now what I'm finna do, guys, I'm about to go ahead and get this clean. Same scenario. I'm gonna get it all rinsed off, clean it with Dawn, and it's gonna smell so good, and my ice is gonna taste better. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do, guys, since I already got the baking soda and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this whole thing with the baking soda and the vinegar. This whole little silver thing. And it's funny because I was wondering why our ice tastes funny. It's this smell that's coming out of it smells just like the ice. So if you're having problems with your ice tasting nasty from the ice maker, just clean your ice maker tray. Okay, the whole tray. And this is what happened with baking soda and vinegar mix. So be careful. But what I'm gonna do now, guys, that's the reaction. I'm gonna go ahead and just dip this in here, and I'm gonna clean it that way with this paper towel, okay? Because it's much easier versus trying to put this in a sink. So just clean it just like that. And then what you're gonna do is once you get it all nice and clean, follow it up with some Dawn. I'm gonna put some Dawn on it. It makes it so much easier just doing it like that. Dipping your paper towel inside of the vinegar and baking soda mix. Okay. Now we are about to add the Dawn. I'm going to put a little bit of Dawn inside of here in a cup. Make it get nice and hot. A little bit of Dawn in there. And then we are going to just put the paper towel right on in. Put the paper towel right on in. And now I'm about to clean it out. You can also use a dish towel too if you like. Okay, and then we just wipe it down. And this will get it smelling all good, looking all good. And like I said, now we will have nice, clean smelling ice. Hopefully that helped you. If it did, please go ahead and leave a comment below. Look how all the rust is gone. Yay! Okay, bye guys. And this is how you just put it back in. All nice and clean. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do, and now I'm gonna make some ice. Bye guys. Subscribe for more. Nice and clean.